Hello my lovelies, so I'm coming at you guys with a swatch video. Beauty Blender just released their 40 shades of a concealer. I've been literally waiting for this. So I'm just gonna swatch. I'm just gonna swatch all of them, and that is going to be this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the deepest shade, which is 4.75 neutral and deep mocha. And then from there, I'm going to just go down.
Haven't seen you in a moment, you got me. Wanna come through, let me step in your yardie. Do what we do, let me touch on your body. A gas. I said the colors you knew are so faded and ugly. Had to regroup.
So this is 4.75 neutral. This is 4.70 cool and deep ebony. This is 4.60 neutral and deep caramel. This is 4.55 cool, deep chestnut. This is 4.50 warm and deep sienna. This is 4.45 neutral and deep bronze. This is 4.40 neutral and deep neutral. This is 4.35 warm and deep pecan. This is 4.30 warm and deep amber. This is 4.20 warm and deep golden.
She said I'm a demon, I'm a Yoruba demon. But I'll go show that baby if you wanna know. Said I'm so hot and the boy goes demon. Call me nasty K, aka Big Demon. I don't wanna party, I just really wanna cuddle. And I'm so
4.15 warm and tan sienna, 4.10 and tan suede, 4.05 and tan pecan, 4.0 neutral and tan ginger, 3.75 warm, tan amber, 3.70 warm and tan honey, 3.65 neutral, tan neutral, 3.60 warm and tan golden, 3.55 neutral, tan olive, 3.50 warm, tan sand.
and I'm really sorry if I did you wrong. I will never leave and my word is born. Like cheap bingo, real chicken sprung, yeah. She wants me to leave, never see.
3.45 neutral and medium bronze, 3.40 warm and medium peach, 3.35 warm and medium golden, 3.30 warm and medium honey, 3.25 neutral, medium neutral, 3.20 medium sand, 3.15 cool, medium beige, 3.10 cool, medium buff, 2.50 neutral, medium nude, 2.40 neutral, medium olive. 2.30 warm light golden, 2.20 light olive, 2.10 light buff, 1.60 light buff, 1.50 light beige, 1.40 light neutral, 1.30 light sand, 1.20 light fair, 1.10 light shell, and lastly 1.0 and light ivory. Alright y'all, so this was just a swatch video. Of course you guys know I am about to do a review of this product. Definitely stay tuned for my full review of the concealer. I have yet to use it, but I'm definitely going to do a first time review with you guys. So stay tuned for that. But I hope you enjoyed this swatch video. Like usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JamexicanBeauty, and I'll see you later. I know I look crazy, but I'm about to do my makeup, so deuces.